This is Henry 160, Hetty 160, Numatic Henry Pet 200. Let's see what it looks like. Very nice. Henry 200. I like the filter. Very reliable. These are the left. Beautiful Henry vacuum cleaners. Numatic Henry HVR 160 cylinder bag vacuum cleaner. And this one is Numatic Hetty 160 by 11 cylinder bag vacuum cleaner. This is with bag. They are very reliable and yeah, easy to empty, easy to maneuver. Floor type, this one is carpet and hard floors, carpet, hard floors, and laminate. This one is carpet, vine, and laminate. They are highly recommended. They deserve your attention. Thank you. This is Hetty and a 160. Henry 160. I like this Henry. This is Hetty 160. Henry Pet 160. Very nice. And they last for a long time. These vacuum cleaners are highly recommended. Henry Pet and Hetty. Henry Pet 160. Henry Hetty 160 and Henry 160. This vacuum cleaner deserves your attention. This one is Numatic Henry 200. Numatic Henry Pet 200 cylinder bag vacuum cleaner. This one is Numatic Hetty 160 by 11 cylinder bag vacuum cleaner. This is Henry Numatic Henry HVR 160 cylinder bag vacuum cleaner. These vacuum cleaners deserve your attention and highly recommended. Thank you.